G'day everyone, you're here with Mark Builder out on site, and it's been a beautiful morning. Raining liquid gold all morning, but that didn't stop the crew. They had got the HIAB in, lifted all the portals, and now they're going through, screwing off top hats, screwing off girts, getting it secured for the weekend, then home for a warm shower and a much deserved beer. So absolutely awesome. The shed in behind us, we've got 12 metres across and 20 metres deep, and it's going to be clad in Pioneer Red. You can see the Pioneer Red vermin flashing coming around the bottom of it already. And then Pioneer Red walls and roof with Tui Tough gutters, and maybe I'll have to look at the plans, Tui Tough flashings on it to really make it pop. So you can see behind us the old farmhouse, which is beautiful. Looks like a sort of early 1800s, so like 1890s sort of old farmhouse. I'm not quite sure the year, see if I can bump into the owners and find out from them, but absolutely awesome looking building. And then building this new steel modern shed, but going those old school colours so that they can have it looking sort of suiting the landscape. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, let's go have a look around and see what the guys are all up to. So here you can see the Pioneer Red ridge cap, some extra flashings, and then these beautiful white Tui Tough gutters. So gonna look really cool, really striking those two colours together. There's a little bit of a peek of the house. Is it? Here you go, a little bit of a peek of the house. Awesome old weatherboard house, heaps of cool details on it. And then this big awesome water tank tower, which is absolutely looks amazing. Probably built out a heart Cody or heart Remu. Yeah, really cool place. And then this big awesome new shed going in. So as I say, 20 metres by 10 metres, all New Zealand cold rolled steel out of Waikato steel mill, and then cold rolled for us by Metalcraft, this one, and colour steel for all the cladding. So yeah, all great New Zealand products, making awesome New Zealand jobs. So they had the HIAB in this morning, lifted all the portals, and now they're just going along and securing it all. So awesome to see. Concrete pad looking absolutely fantastic. Graham Fisher and the team have done this pad for us, and they've done a fantastic job. They've finished it really nicely. The sloping rebates are just absolutely perfect. Nice. They've got the right slope on them all, but they've also finished the edges all pretty nicely. So they're really good to see. So 2 sectional doors in this build. PA door and a couple of windows, but otherwise just sort of a big good shed to be able to use, store stuff in, make stuff in, all that good stuff everybody gets up to in a shed. Also been consented with a bathroom in it. We've got the waste in the floor for the toilet and the sink, so that won't have to go right into the house to do that. So really cool. Builders have been really stoked on with this site is with how nice it is all round the shed. So they've had this big retaining wall put in, but then extended the sand pad right out past the shed, so it's just really nice to work on, either on ladders or a scissor lift. Really easy to walk around, which makes the build go a lot quicker and is a lot safer as well.
Awesome, thank you so much for watching and getting to the end of this video. Without you guys, we would have no channel. Big shout out to the whole team at Waikato Shed, always working hard and putting in the effort behind the scenes to make it happen. All our suppliers, New Zealand Steel, Colour Steel, Metalcraft, Cladding, Fisher, Windows, Connect, always backing us and behind us, as well as all our subbies and builders. They're doing a great job. If you've got any questions, just hit us up in a comment below. I'll always make sure to answer it. Shout us a like, and if you want to see any more of us, who doesn't? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, just look up Waikato Sheds or Noble Sheds, even LinkedIn, and you'll find us on there. Otherwise, you might like this video or this video, and make sure to subscribe. Cheers, guys.